Black belt knife techniques, reverse grip, reverse slash. Starting from the modified basic warrior stance, we're going to start this technique by moving the blade across our body over the left hip in a reverse hammer grip. On execution, the palm will be palm up as the knife travels across in the reverse slash, ending up back in the modified basic warrior stance. Shown here in slow motion is a combination of a reverse grip, forward, and reverse slash. Black belt knife techniques, reverse grip, reverse slash.